Hello everyone, welcome to ApparelWin channel. I'm Lily. Today let's talk about the different types of embroidery. I will give you some showcase and some details you need to pay attention if you want to have your embroidery. Embroidery is the craft work of decorating fabric or other materials by using needle and thread or yarn. So today I will cover several most common types of embroideries which used most frequently. They are traditional embroidery, 3D embroidery, applique, chenille embroidery, and sequin embroidery. Okay, let me show you. The traditional embroidery is the flat embroidery. It's just stitch your pattern on the clothing. You can see it on many types of garments. So when you want to do something special, choose embroidery, go for 3D pop embroidery. This one is 3D embroidery. Can you see? But remember, when you want to do a 3D embroidery on your garment or hats, avoid using delicate and slippery fabrics with 3D pops. You'd better choose consequently thick and stable fabrics. Okay, next is applique embroidery, which refers to the addition of decorative fabric to a larger piece of fabric by sewing. You can decide the type of that piece of decorative fabric. Put a piece of leather, denim, velvet on your garment, then sew the edge. It is up to you. You see the stitching on the outside edge of the fabric. Okay, next is chenille embroidery. Chenille embroidery is textured embroidery that is created by forming loop stitches on the top side of the fabric being embroidered to create a raised textured surface that's just like a carpet. It can use wool, cotton, or acrylic yarn to create a unique texture that sets your embroidery apart from common everyday embroidery designs. Okay, lastly, let's talk about sequin embroidery. A sequin is a disc-shaped space used for decorative purpose. It is an easy, super cool way to add their extra zing. It can have shining effect and it is eye-catching. They are most often made from plastic. You can get different shapes, size, and colors of sequins. You will be spoiled of choice. But remind, embroidery do not suit for fabric that is too thin and stretchy. And it will not be good if your embroidery pattern is too small. Besides, embroidery cannot create pattern with gradient color. Final thing, cost of embroidery. How to estimate the cost of your embroidery? The cost is closely related to the size, color of your pattern, and the type of embroidery you choose. The bigger and the more complicated your pattern is, the more expensive. Alright guys, was this video helpful? When you have an embroidery design, tell your manufacturer what exactly embroidery you want to do. Okay guys, which embroidery method you like the most? Tell me. I will appreciate if you can comment below. And again, want to know more about clothing production? Don't forget to follow our Ins and YouTube. Thanks and bye.